Okay, I'm doing a P on Audjpy Buy. So overall, it's an uptrend with a 4-hour pullback, and price came above this trap level over here, and it broke out strongly. So it's a on market. And story wise, I would say is is correct, is okay. However, there's one thing to take note is that if the secondary takes very little time to empty the bucket of the trap level, do take note that when price came back to this same level over here, it might take some time to empty the bucket. It might range for quite some time. So overall story is good. As for entry, because it's an on market, I prefer to enter aggressively, which I think is okay. So I entered when in last Friday Asian session, where the price came down and is a kind of high volume compared to the top at the bottom, high volume at the bottom. So I just entered and put a stop loss at the low over here. So the trade takes quite some time to play out. Like it takes like kind of like a full whole day, and price eventually breaks to the upside. Initially, my target wise, I was actually aiming for this 93.586, but I actually got scared and I just exited the position over here. Yeah. So whether we can hold to this level, as experience will tell. Like with experience, this issue will be solved automatically. So it's okay. So overall, is a 2.4 hour trade, which I would say is quite a good trade. And for now, I won't be focusing on trade management, as I want to perfect my read and entry and exit first.